Sometimes on Instagram, you may have created AI chat. When creating that AI chat, you may have given a description for it. If you want to change that description, you can. In this video, we'll tell you how to do that. For that, open the Instagram app. After that, down here you can see the message button. Click on this message button. When you click it, up above you can see a button like this. Click on that button. When you click it, here you can see your AI chats. Click on AI chats. When you do, you'll reach the AI studio, and here you can see your AIs. Under that, you can see every AI chat that you've created. For example, I'm selecting this chat. After that, here above you can see the settings option. Click on settings. When you click it, here you can see describe your AI, and here you can change this description. For example, I'm removing something from this, and after that I'm adding new things too. After that, if you want to publish it, click on publish. When you click that, the settings will be saved. So this way, you can easily change the description of your Instagram AI chat that you created. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.